everyone. So today we are not just doing homework, we are stepping into the arena. So this problem right here, this is a survivor from the Chinese Math Olympiad. Now before we solve it, let's talk about the CMO. In the world of the comparative mathematics, the CMO is basically the end game of the examinations. While we are here debating if we need a calculator for 7 into 8, students in China are tackling these problems like they are training for an Olympic gold medal in brain power. So these examinations are designed to see if you can think in 4 dimensions. Okay, so let's go to the question first. The question says the function fx is x by 1 minus 2 to the power x minus x by 2 is what? Option number A says an even but not odd function. Option number B says an odd but not even function. Option number C says what? Both even and odd function. And option number D says a neither even nor odd function. Okay, so we will solve this together. Now before we touch the function, let's talk about the symmetry spells. Okay, we have two kind of functions. First is the even functions. And what are they? These are the mirror of the divas. Okay, so if you swap x for minus x, they don't care, they stay exactly the same. So f of minus x will be f of x. So graphically they are perfectly symmetrical across the y-axis. Now think of them like the letter u. Okay, and second one is odd function. And what's that? These are the rebels. If you swap x for minus x, the whole function turns upside down. So f of minus x is minus of fx here. Say they have rotational symmetry about the origin. Okay, so if you want to know a function's secret in identity, and just feed it a negative x and see how it reacts. Okay, now here is our target. Fx equal to x by 1 minus 2 to the power x minus x by 2, right? So first, a quick safety check, the domain check. Can x be anything? Look at the denominator. If 1 minus 2 to the power x is 0, the universe explodes. Okay, or we just divide by 0, which is worse. That happens when 2 to the power x is 1, so x not equals to 0, right? And our domain is what? Minus infinity 0 union 0 infinity. Okay, so it's symmetric about the origin, so the even odd game is officially on here. So we are going to find f of minus x. Okay, so f of minus x is what? Minus of x minus of x by 1 minus 2 to the power minus x, right? So it will be equal to minus x by 2. Okay, now that 2 to the power minus x is what? Just 1 by 2 to the power x, right? And that double negative at the end, that becomes a plus, right? So f of minus x is what? Minus of x by 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power x plus x by 2, right? So see that fraction on the left? It looks ugly, I know that. So let's multiply the top and the bottom by 2 to the power x to get rid of the function inside a fraction. So we get minus x into 2 to the power x by 2 to the power x into 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power x. That will be equal to what? Minus of x into 2 to the power x by 2 to the power x minus 1. Now I want the bottom to look like our original 1 minus 2 to the power x. So I'll put a negative sign out of the denominator. So this is what? minus x into 2 to the power x by minus of 1 minus 2 to the power x. So it will be equal to x into 2 to the power x by 1 minus 2 to the power x. Now our f of minus x looks like this. Right? So it doesn't look like the original yet, or does it? So let's add and subtract x in the numerator. Okay, so just give me a second. Yeah, so let's look at the difference between the original fx and our f of minus x. So if we take x into 2 to the power x by 1 minus 2 to the power x, we can rewrite 2 to the power x as what? 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 1, right? So check this out. X into 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 2 to the power x, that will be equal to x into 2 to the power x minus 1 by 1 minus 2 to the power x. So plus x by 1 minus 2 to the power x, right? So this will be equal to minus of x plus x by 1 minus 2 to the power x, right? Now plug that back into our f of x minus function. So f of minus x will be what? Minus x plus x by 1 minus 2 to the power x plus x by 2, right? Now simplify this. Minus x plus x by 2. So what do you get? We get minus of x by 2. So f of minus x will be what? X by 1 minus 2 to the power x minus x by 2. So which is exactly our f of x. Okay, so it's an even function. That is our option number A. Okay, so what did we learn? Chinese Olympiad problems look terrifying but yield to basic algebraic manipulation if you stay calm. Okay, and negative signs are just like the glitters. If you don't keep track of them, they end up everywhere and ruin your day. Okay, and the specific structure x by 2 to the power x minus 1 plus x by 2, this is a famous way to create symmetry out of exponential chaos. Okay, so you guys just solve our CMO level problem. Okay, so this is all about this question. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me on the comment section. Okay, so see you in the next session, guys. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Shaurav's classes.